Have you heard of what the tallest tree in the world is? It is in fact called the Sequoia redwood tree. It stands over 379 feet tall. Here are 3 interesting things about the tallest tree in the world, and how it reaches its magnificent height. At 3, fire resistance. Their thick, reddish-brown bark is highly resistant to fire, protecting them from flames and allowing them to survive frequent wildfires. At 2, habitat. They thrive in specific areas close to mountains, especially in California, USA, requiring well-drained soil and sufficient sunlight. Finally, longevity. Adaptation is a very important skill in life to obtain, especially for survival of all organisms, especially trees themselves. They can live for thousands of years, with some specimens reaching ages of 3,500 years.